Retains factory features in all CAN bus-based Volkswagen models. Retains steering wheel controls via built-in, pre-programmed interface. Supports amplified and non-amplified systems. A color-coded wiring for easy installation. Radio replacement with SWC retention for Volvo vehicles. Retains factory features in select Volvo vehicles while functioning with an aftermarket radio. Retains steering wheel controls via built-in, pre-programmed interface with navigation outputs. Reverse gear, illumination and speed signal. Provides accessory power, 2A max, for use with non-amplified and standard amplified systems. Top reviews from the United States. Works on 2006 Volvo V70. Put this in my wife's car so she could get steering wheel stereo controls back working after a local big box installed and botched a new stereo. Was straightforward to install. Only took about an hour with making sure it was perfect. Could have done it quicker. Wife is very happy with having controls back.